Certified most accurate forecast.
We are checking out live Doppler 2 HD radar. We've had some new showers develop here in Montgomery and Preble counties, some heavy downpours. You're going to hear this come through for sure. We have readings in the 60s to start, so it's a mild rain, and you couldn't rule out some rumbles of thunder developing, as we could see some lightning strikes with some of this. No lightning up across our northern counties. It is just, again, a mild rain with temperatures in the 60s and some occasional showers coming through. A wider view, you can see we have a front stalled across the area. So this is something that's going to be with us through the day today, just kind of hanging out. And it will be the focal point at times for a shower or thunderstorm. But there is some dry area back to the west, so it looks like morning rain chances are high. It drops off going into the afternoon, and then it'll pick up again late in the day as an area of low pressure will be tracking along this boundary. And that's really going to be later on tonight that that area of rain reaches us. Right now you can see some severe weather out ahead of this line where we have severe thunderstorm warnings and even a tornado warning, some flash flood warnings. So messy out that way. And that is where the severe weather threat will be the greatest, off to our southwest. But our severe weather threat here is not 0. It's a marginal risk, which is a 1 on a scale of 1 to 5. And our concern mainly would be for an isolated stronger wind gust or 2. Right now, again, mild, 68 degrees, and it feels pretty humid. We have dew points up at 66. Anytime those values are above 60, you can feel that humidity. We have a southwest wind at 5 miles per hour at the moment. If you're trying to get out to the pool today, we're going to see highs similar to yesterday, near 80. And the weather seems similar to yesterday. Lots of clouds, maybe a little sun. It'll be humid. And then we'll have that chance of a few showers and thunderstorms, but not a washout. There will be dry time today. And that high temperature of 80 is right around normal. We'll be there again tomorrow, close to it Sunday, a little bit lower Monday, Tuesday. Highs by Tuesday will be near 76, but that's the coolest day out of the next 10 days. Then we get a nice warm up going through next week, especially the second half of the week, where we're in the mid 80s, potentially upper 80s by that following weekend. Here's a check of future track, which shows some spotty activity moving through this morning. As we approach lunchtime, some breaks in the clouds try to get going, but we still have the slightest chance of an isolated shower, and then a little more cloud cover later in the day. Tonight is when that next complex will move in. It'll be around midnight or shortly after, and it's especially across the southern half of the Miami Valley, so along and south of 70. It moves out by Saturday morning. The sun will come out for a bit, but then clouds will tend to fill back in, and we have about a 20% chance tomorrow of an isolated shower, but a lot of dry time. Today is mostly cloudy and humid with a high of 80. Scattered showers, chance of thunder, but again, a lot of dry time develops this afternoon. Mostly cloudy and mild tonight with some showers, especially south, and then tomorrow is partly sunny and warm with an isolated shower. Highs up to 80 Saturday. Sunday 78, but more showers and thunderstorms are likely. That will continue into Monday before dropping off on Tuesday. And then the sun returns Wednesday and Thursday as we push back into the 80s.